in COVID-19 period. So, colleagues and parents and other colleagues SMS. So, SMS means social distance, wear mask and sanitation. Okay children, now discuss the lesson nature of substance. This nature of substance. In our daily life, you use a lot of materials, substance of nature. Even our food has a lot of varieties. Different items also have different taste. In preparing and storing food, we take a lot of care. What kind of tastes do fine substance we eat have? Fruits, vegetables and other food substance have different taste. Which tastes are sweet, sour, bitter, salty, spicy. So, nature of substance covered the topics acids, bases, neutral substance, acid base indicators, pH of substance. So, preparation of pulihora.
One day, Ritvik saw his father preparing pulihora. He assisted his father in arranging pulihora. Ingredients just in a few minutes. His father made a delicious pulihora with tamarind paste. On observing the entire process, Ritvik asked his father, "Daddy, why did you add tamarind paste in preparing pulihora? In previous classes, you have learnt about the ingredients which are used to prepare food items. Can you tell why tamarind paste was used as an ingredient in pulihora? Name any other substance which tastes like tamarind. Tamarind paste has sour taste, so it is added to pulihora to get sour taste like tamarind. Sour taste in the nature of these substance. Acids. Substance like tamarind and lemon contain some substance which give sour taste. These type of substance with sour taste are known as acids. The word acid came from the Latin word acior, means sour. For example, tamarind, lemon juice. Small activity of below the table. Let us taste some substance in our house and identify this nature. Through taste from your previous experience, fill the finding in the table. Serial number and substance, taste, acid or not an acid. Tomato juice, sugar, curd, raw mango, table salt, amla, orange juice. Which substance have sour taste in the above table? Why? Tomato juice, curd, raw mango, amla and orange juice have sour taste because the contents of acids. Acids present in the different fruits. Lemon or orange, tamarind, apples, tomato, amla, umbilica fruit. Lemon or orange, citric acid, tamarind, tartaric acid, apples, malic acid, tomato, oxalic acid, amla, umbilica acid. You have learnt about these different of acids. Amla, umbilica fruit is ascorbic acid. You have learnt about vitamin C in previous lessons. Ascorbic acid is also called as vitamin C. It is available in citrus fruits and in amla. You might have observed that an acid is poured on the bathroom floor. Generally, HCl Hydrochloric acid is used for bathroom cleaning. It liberated things, fumes and funnet smell when poured on the floor. Have you seen batteries being used in vehicles? Which chemical is used in batteries? Sulfuric acid is used in batteries. Some acids are like hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid and nitric acids are known as mineral acids or synthetic acids because they are prepared artificial from minerals which are extracted from the earth. Have you ever drunk soda or a cool drink? Soda water and cool drinks contain carbonic acids. Carbonic acids are prepared by adding carbon dioxide to water. Bases. You know that hand washing is a good practice. We have been washing our hands several times to remove microbes during the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Which substance do you use? Wash your hand and clean your teeth. What are the chemicals present in soap and toothpaste? We use soap to wash our hands and for bathing. We use toothpaste to clean our teeth. Soap and toothpaste contain bases. Bases are slippery in nature. Some activity of take a soap into your palm and add some water. Now rub with another palm. How do you feel while rubbing? You can feel the slippery nature of the soap. Repeat this activity with toothpaste. Now observe your feelings. Toothpaste is also slippery in nature. For example, bath soap, toothpaste substance contain slippery chemicals theory called bases. Bases are slippery in nature and also bitter to taste. Bath soaps is prepared using potassium hydroxide. Detergent soaps for washing clothes is prepared using sodium hydroxide. Neutral substance. The substance which is neither an acid nor is a base is known as neutral substance. Pure water is a neutral substance. For examples, neutral substance are distilled water and salt solution and sugar solution. Acid base indicators. It is possible to test the acids and bases simply by testing or touching them. Some acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acids. Some bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide are very harmful and strong. We cannot taste them by touch or taste. Substances which are used to taste acids or bases are called acid base indicators.
Acid base indicators. Types of indicators: natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators, universal indicators. So, different types of indicators. These are so. First one, natural indicators. For example, turmeric powder and hibiscus. So,
Blood in lemon. You might have seen magicians cut a lemon with a knife. Blood comes out. They leave us by using a simple technique. You can reveal the secret in the magic act. Magician prepared a knife by applying indicators like methyl orange or hibiscus solution on it. Then they cut the lemon before use. Due to the reaction, the lemon juice turns red, and we are made to believe that blood is coming out of the lemon. Indicators, olfactory indicators, substances which are change their smell when mixed with acids or bases are known as olfactory indicators. For example, onions, vanilla and clove oil. These indicators can be used for inclusive learning. Indicators, universal indicators, it is a mixture of different indicators. It shows different colors in different solutions, unlike for example methyl orange, phenolphthalein. These universal indicators can show the strength of acid or alkaline substance. pH of substance. We use vinegar in our dishes. It does not harm us, but hydrochloric acid is dangerous enough to touch. Why it is so? The strength of different acids and bases vary. How can we measure the strength of an acid or base? Strength of acid or base solution measured in pH scale. The scale was introduced by Sorensen. The range of pH scale is from 0 to 14. pH of acids is less than 7. pH of bases is more than 7. pH of neutral substance is 7. Strength of acids decreases from 0 to 7 and other strength of bases increase from 7 to 14. We can test of two different solution by using universal indicators or pH papers. Let us find the pH different solution by using indicators. Activity: take dilute hydrochloric acid, vinegar, water, sodium hydroxide and ammonia hydroxide in test tubes. Now take universal indicators and add 2 drops in each test tube. You can observe that the solution in the test tubes change into different colors. Now compare these colors with pH color chart with was given on indicator bottles. Try to find pH values or strength of acids and bases based on the color the show any breadth in the table. Indicators obtained from natural source are called as natural indicators. For example, natural indicators are litmus paper, turmeric, hibiscus, red cabbage, etc. Activity: for take a tablespoon of turmeric powder in a plate. Add little water and make it into a paste. Take a white paper and apply the paste over it on both sides and let it dry. After drying, cut the paper into strips. Now turmeric paper strips are ready for use in indicators. What is the color of these strips? They are yellow in color. Testing with turmeric indicators. Take soap solution in a plate. Dip in 1 turmeric paper strips in the soap solution. Take it out and observe the color of the strip. Repeat the activity with lime water and lemon juice. Do you observe any change in color of turmeric strips? Soap solution reddish brown color. Lime solution reddish brown color. Lemon juice no color change. The color of turmeric strips will be changed into reddish brown in soap water and lime water, but its color will not change in the lemon juice. Can we use turmeric paste to rest acid and bases? Yes, we can use turmeric paste to test acids and bases. Next, hibiscus indicators. Can we use any flowers as an indicators? For example, hibiscus or cyna rose. Nature of substance. Now children, cover the topics acids, bases and acid and base indicators, pH of substance. So, small
topic of assignment. Write difference between acids and bases. Second one, give example to difference of acid and base indicators. Thank you children.